going to get right into the haul. But first, let me know in the comments, are you team garden? Put a G for yes, or are you a no? It just doesn't give a good return for the effort. Just put an N. Thank you. I'd just really like to know where you stand with our gardening adventure. And now on to the haul. Here's the grocery haul. This week I was mostly concentrating on fiber, and that is for health goals. We are utilizing veggies from the garden. I did not grow broccoli though, and it is a favorite, so we ended up with broccoli, pears, strawberries, raspberries, and I know it's cheaper to get the big pack, but they were gross, and it's not cheaper if you have to throw half of them away. Then there's Pappy picked out blackberries. This was on a deep discount because the date was getting close, so I'll go ahead and throw it in the freezer. It was only 99 cents. They had a whole bunch of them. So I thought it can't hurt to get one for a quick meal sometime. Pappy was missing his bacon bits. Got some spicy guac, jumbo eggs, whole artichoke hearts, garbanzo beans, and Fairlife milk. Here is our receipt, and I'll go down so you can see all the prices. $59.93. And I know I did get some organic products. I do that when I can with just certain items. Who feels that's worth it and who feels it's a waste? Let me know in the comments. My garden harvest so far this morning. I have to go back out for some greens because it's supposed to be in the 90s today after having unseasonably cool temperatures. Now we're unseasonably warm, so it's time to protect the greens with some shade cloth and harvest what we can. Here's my first big garden harvest of the season. We have Greek oregano, regular oregano, thyme, chives, 2 different kinds of kale, and some arugula, radish, and some spring onions. So I think I'm going to make a salad and then see what we can do with the herbs. I even have a couple baby spinach in here. Time to harvest more kale and arugula and radishes. Baby lettuce is starting to grow more. So is spinach. And the carrots are taking off. It's time to thin those little finger carrots. This is the harvest today, and it's definitely a nice salad for me and Pappy. Got the tomatoes planted tonight. Some marigolds in the boxes. Celery's planted. We'll see how that goes. And we had such an overflow of plants that we installed a new box. Looks like some nice soil under there. I didn't know if we'd do it, but we did get the last bed planted. And I had a couple pepper stragglers. I don't even know what variety they are. 3 of them came up in a pot and 2 of them made it, so they're in there too. Be sure to come back to see how I incorporated the bounty of our garden into our meals this week almost every day. I used the pantry and the garden to come up with some pretty yummy suppers. We hope to see you Thursday, and thank you for watching.